Good evening, all. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Audible.
This is the last one we are discussing.
Shallow uniform chart.
One second, one second. Right. So now let us go further with Coulomb's law. Ajesh? No, actually, the senior aims in charge, I told you to take into conference or something. No phone, nothing. Hmm. No. You do one thing. Tomorrow you take a conference with her so that we'll plan something for that section. Because a lot of time is there, no? We can't leave them like that. No? Something should be done. No? Okay. And any exams we plan for outgoing batches, no? Not grand test. That's a four part test. It was split actually. You just have a discussion with officers, sir, actually. Pardon? We will give. You don't ask such questions. They have to give that, sir. There is no question of ready and all. Okay. I'll manage. No, you just. You will get the papers. I'm assuring. Okay. You, no, you first talk to officer sir regarding the test and all. Or I'll send the schedules to you. You can type it and post it in the group. Wait, I'll send it in half an hour. Already I have that, all three. Okay, right. Okay, right. Today, no, I have taken 3:30 to 5. But no, apart from that, that is only the toppers will attend, no? Other people are there, no? What about them? Tomorrow again an issue may rise, so take her into conference. So let us throw, because you cannot coordinate always with Ames batches, no? And you strictly tell her in the conference that it is your responsibility, madam, don't call me in this issue, because I have my own work, you tell. Otherwise, what is happening is whenever I call you, you say that you have no information about Ames. So the thing is, everybody are escaping, that in charge are not at all involved. Okay? Right. Okay, then. Right. Thank you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, suppose this is Q1, Q2 are two charges. We want to know the direction of force. See, remember that to find direction of force on Q1 due to Q2. See, due to what we are finding? Q2, no? Assume this is
Yes.
fixed. So this gives, understood this? See, for example, suppose this is positive, this is a negative. Example, if this is fixed, can you tell if this is fixed, it will be attracted or repelled?
Attracted.
Attracted. So this is force on 1 due to 2. Similarly, suppose this is fixed, this will move in which direction? Attracted only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Attracted.
Yes, sir.
So like this, you can find the force between any charge minus Q1, Q2, Q3, minus Q4. So now you can see roughly, just as a practice session you can take. For example, force on this due to this. This is force on 1 due to 2. This is fixed, this will get attracted now. Whereas if this is fixed, this will get repelled or not?
Yes, sir. Repelled.
1 due to 4. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Similarly, this is force on 1 due to 3. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Marathon. Agreed. Like that,
Agree.
you can see that this is force on 2 due to 1. Again, you can see that this is force on 2 due to 3. Again, you can see that this is force on 2 due to 4. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
So, like that, you can find the force. Complete this. Forces on this. Can you do it or shall I help you? This is force on 3 due to 4. This is force on 3 due to 2. Agreed. Whereas this is force on 3 due to 1. Is it clear? Similarly, this is
Yes, sir.
force on 4 due to 3. This is again force on 4 due to 1. Again, this is force on 4 due to 2. Understood how to find the forces?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Due to what you are trying to find out, that one, assume it is fixed. Shall I turn?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Please.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Completed, sir.
So now, in vector form, we need to know force on 1 due to 2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by mod r12 whole cube r12. Here r12 is nothing but
Vector from yes.
agreed. Follow this or not? Clear? See here with sign. Okay. When we use magnitude is this, no?
Yes, sir. Q1, Q2 by yes, R square.
Here Q1 and Q2 are substituted without sign. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Direction of F12 is determined separately. What is the discussion we had? Assume
Assume
One of them is fixed.
Q2 is
Q2
fixed.
is fixed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry, Q2 is fixed.
Follow this? This is the difference.
Yes.
So this gives both magnitude and direction in one stroke. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
See, this year you'll have more extra classes, outgoing batches now, because you have revision for first year, all that headaches will be there. So have patience.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Finished? Right.
Yes.
Now let us see another aspect. Follow carefully. See, suppose that two charges are here. So both are positive if you take. Nothing is mentioned is positive only. So this is force on 1 due to 2. If 2 is fixed, this will repel. Then if 1 is fixed, this will repel like this. anyhow the magnitude of the charge of the force is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r naught square. This is first, this is vacuum. Okay, so here follow till here. Now suppose we are introducing this, we are keeping this in a medium. So in this medium, say this is the distance is r. Okay, now we are keeping this in some medium. So this medium is, the medium is k, dielectric constant k. Okay, now what is the force between them?
So,
1 by 4
1 by
pi
4 pi epsilon.
not k. Now for to be equal to what we should have,
Q1, Q2 by R square. So R naught square.
till here any doubt is there? Now this will be, so here I can say agreed?
Yes, sir.
Followed? That means what is the inference I can draw? What conclusion I can make from this? That means separation or distance r
Understand R now.
Sir, in this case, is R is equals to R.
Correct? Agreed or not? Distance r in medium is equal to root k into r in vacuum, no? This is the separation in vacuum. This is in medium, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
So whenever there is a distance of separation r and a medium, then instead of that you can take root k r and you can apply 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught this relation directly. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, this distance R in medium is equal to root K R in vacuum. It is not always, no? If the forces are equal in medium and vacuum.
That's what. For the forces to be equal only I am saying, no?
Yes, sir.
For the forces to be equal, what is the condition? The distance of separation r in the medium must be same as root k into r in vacuum. That means if they place the two charges at a distance of separation r in a medium k, that is the force they experience is same as the force they experience if they place at a separation of root k r in vacuum. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, the distance r in medium is equal to
Hmm. Tell.
sir, r is equal to r by root k. No, you wrote root k into r in vacuum.
R equals what? R naught, correct or no? R naught is root K R, correct or no?
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
No, sir, in left side, sir.
Left side
Distance, correct or no? Distance R in medium is root K into R in vacuum, no?
Distance, sir. Distance R in medium is,
Correct or no?
sir. No, sir. R not by K in vacuum.
Not by K, right, sir?
No, what is R naught here? Root K R on, no?
Yes, sir.
This is in vacuum, this is in medium. Shall I turn this?
But in the statement it's mentioned distance R, right, sir?
Yes, my distance R in medium is equal to root K R in vacuum, correct or no? This is distance in vacuum, no?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
yes.
See, in other words, suppose you are having a medium. Here this is some K, the medium, at a separation of R. Okay, then this is in vacuum, no? This is, so do you agree with this or not? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Please. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose why we need this is there are some problems like this. We are keeping a dielectric material here. The thickness is T. The separation is R. How to find the force between them? So in this case, shall we use 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught or shall we use 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K? We cannot tell because totally this part vacuum is there, part medium is there. In such cases, how will resolve? You will convert the whole thing into vacuum. See, other than medium, what is the vacuum available here? R minus T, no?
Yes, sir. R minus P.
Plus this you convert into vacuum. What is that?
Root K into T, yes, sir.
Now the force will be equal to what? We'll treat it as vacuum only.
Yes, sir.
Q1, Q2 by.
R minus. Yes, sir.
Agree?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Agreed.
See, for example, if then what will happen? T is equal to R only, no? So what is the force you will get?
1 by 4 pi epsilon 0.
This is 0, this is what?
KT square.
This is what you got previously also, no? Remember?
Yes, sir.
Agreed or not?
Yes,
It
sir.
is
If entire thing is anyhow you'll use this one, partial filling you have to use this. Is it clear?
clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, can you explain the second step of this question, sir?
This one. This
No,
one.
sir. Yes, that, sir.
Yeah, this is partially filled man, not fully filled. What I do is the remaining space other than this dielectric, what is the distance you have? R minus T. No?
Yes, sir. R minus
Yes,
T.
sir.
And this you converted into vacuum. Distance T in medium is equal to root K into T in vacuum. No? Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means total now it is vacuum only, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Same situation, vacuum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Now to check whether it is correct or not, now let us see. Suppose whole medium is having K, then T will be equal to R. In that case, you are getting same thing you have in medium. Earlier you got the same thing or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir. We are
Yes, sir.
Finished?
yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Right. See, I sent one question in the group, just copied on that. Received?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In
It's
group?
received.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
See, he gave that 0.2. What is the force, man? Vacuum, no?
Yes, sir. Q1, Q2 by 0.2 square.
Now he says that he has introduced 0.08. This is K. Now can you tell this is equivalent to what? Out of 0.2, remove this. This is all vacuum plus root K into 0.08. No, now the separation will be this only. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the force? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught
Q1 Q2 by 0.2 minus 0.08 plus root K.
0.08 whole square. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
What he has given, the force is reduced to half, no?
yes, sir.
Agreed. Now substitute these values here and make the cancellations. Boys, following or not?
Following,
Following,
sir.
following.
This will get cancelled. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Followed this? So you'll find
Follow.
K. You'll get the answer nearly 4. Understood the method? Any doubts in the method?
No, sir. No doubt. Clear.
So shall I proceed further?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
So remember, whenever you are having a medium K, sorry, a thickness T, convert it into air equivalent.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Note down the answer nearly 4 you will get. You can solve it later.
Yes, sir.
So remember that. Suppose there are two charges and there is a medium fully here. Then this is equivalent to what?
Root KR.
In vacuum, no?
Yes,
So what
sir.
is the force you have?
1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by root KR whole square.
That is what you write here directly, no? Earlier we got this one, you know.
Yes, sir. This solution.
On the other hand, suppose their charges are like this. And we have a dielectric like this. Then the separation will become, now this is also vacuum, no?
Vacuum, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
now how to write the force?
Force is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r minus t plus root k t whole square.
So this is what we learnt. Understood this? Hope it is
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you. Shall I go ahead?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
See, starting from this Coulomb's law up to AC, all are interlinked chapters. So if you miss one thing up to AC, it will be disconnected. I think already it will be around 20 chapters, I think, totally. All are interconnected. So avoid absenteeism. And topic wise, when it is going, you have any doubts conceptually, you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Remember, it's your life, your result. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. So there's one chapter called Potential Men. So we will discuss in depth about that. Suppose the charge is Q. For the time being, the radius is R. The potential of the sphere we'll discuss all this in detail. Don't worry about this. Now suppose we'll prove everything on this. Now we need this. What for? Let us see. Suppose this is Q1. This is Q2. So both are same radius. Okay. Now this is V1. This is V2. Now after that, they are kept in contact. When they are kept in contact, what will happen? Suppose,
Charge will
for
flow
example,
from
V1 is
hypertension.
equal to V2, for example.
Charges flow from V1 to V2 until they reach
So
equilibrium.
here there will be a charge flow, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, ultimately, what you'll get here, you separate this. You'll be getting Q1 minus X here, Q2 plus X here, no? This is lost and gain, no? Now, till the potentials are here, no?
Yes, sir. Same.
Okay, say I'll call this as Q1 dash, this will call it as Q2 dash. Now, potentials are same, no? That means I can say that Q1 dash by R is same as Q2 dash by R, no? This
Yes, sir.
implies that Q1 dash equals
Q2
Q2
dash.
dash. Follow this?
Yes,
And by law of conservation of charge, that means initial charge on the system must be equal to final charge, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you can see this is nothing but 2Q1 dash So you get Q1 dash equals Q2 dash equals. Followed. Is it
Yes,
clear?
clear, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubts.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Please, 1 minute.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Yes.
if bodies have same charge, then can we say both will have same potential, sir?
Pardon? Even Q is same, R is same, potential will be same. No?
Yes,
Obviously, from this you can find out, no?
yes, sir. Yes, understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now suppose there are two spheres and assume that the charge distribution is uniform. So what is the force between them?
1/4 Q1 by R square.
Now they are touched together. Again after that they are kept at separation, same separation. But now the charges will be different now. So what is the force in this?
1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 dash.
1 dash plus Q1 dash Q2 dash.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you'll be asking questions like this. They touched and again separated at the same distance. What is the force? Is it clear?
Clear,
Sir,
sir.
one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
if we separate these pieces before potential became same, then Q1 and Q2, Q1 dash and Q2 dash will be same, sir.
You know, if you touch that, some charge will be lost, no?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
definitely, definitely it may not be same. We got Q1 dash equals to Q2 dash till potentials have become same. We have done.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, it will be not equal. No, we cannot equate V1 equal to V2.
Yes, sir.
Follow this?
Follow, sir. Follow.
Shall I turn this? Hello.
Yes, sir. Completely.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose you are having a line charge like this. A line charge. Okay. Now we need, there is another charge I am keeping here. and keeping another charge here at a distance of A. Okay, we need the force between them. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that this is dx, this is x. Okay, what is the charge on dx? You can see that for length L, charge is how much? For unit length,
By L.
so for length dx,
Q by L dx.
charge is q by L dx. Do you agree with this? So this is only dq L corp. Now you can see what is the force between is df 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Do you agree with this? Hello.
Agreed, sir.
Sir, I agree, sir.
Understood this? So total force you have to integrate then of this, no? In this, if you, what are the constants, you first remove that. Here, x starts from where to where?
Sir,
To x equals L plus A, no?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
L plus A.
So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. You know the integral of this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can substitute the upper limit.
Sir, why we are taking lower limit as A?
Lesser is that, no? Lower means less value. X is A, this is, because from this end to this end, no? For this end, x is equal to A. For this end, x is equal to L plus A, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now after I do all this integration, then you learn that in maths, man. Vectors I completed, then you learn that. So first you are not learning there. So you will get this. Any doubt is that till here? See, check up. So
No,
this is how we do problems if they are not point charges. We'll take one small element and we go ahead. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
If we take daily like that, any problem is there for you people?
No, sir.
Then for your good only. I won't get on MP from this. So they are very fast at physics now. Otherwise, it will be like last year, it will be hectic for us. Finished there?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Complete.
See, I sent another question.
Received, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. First question completed, sir.
Right. See here, there are four charges like this. Now this is separation is given as A or something. Now if you keep a charge here at Q, okay, you can see that Q is do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
That means between this there is a force. So I'll call it as like this, it's better. So roughly I can take this is force on, so this is 5 will take. So you have force on 5 due to 2. Similarly this is force on 5 due to 4. These will cancel. Agreed? And this is
Yes.
force on 5 due to 1.
One.
And this is force on 5 due to 3. Agreed? Now these two will get cancelled, these two will get cancelled now.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Right. Now remember that for the system of charges, in the question he asked, system should be equal, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? So let us consider
Yes.
now let us see. Observe this. What will be the force on 3 due to this is force on 3 due to 2. What is this? Force on 3 due to 4, no?
Before.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that this distance is same, no?
Yes,
Same.
sir.
Magnitude wise, what you have here?
4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by a square, sir. So,
Okay. So what is the resultant of this? You agree with this?
yes,
Followed.
followed, sir.
Now these vectors are same, no? So resultant it will be along which one?
Sir, along the diagonal.
Diagonal.
Hmm. That means it's the diagonal, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Now also F acts along the same diagonal, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. And what is the magnitude of this? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
Q square by a square. Root by a square.
Do you agree?
Agree, sir.
Therefore, you have both are in the same direction now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Till here, any doubt is there?
So,
No doubt, sir. Clear, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. Last thing, sir. 1 minute.
Completed?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Last time.
Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see another force is there. I can say that we have force on 3 due to 2, force on 3 due to 4, force on 3 due to 1 is what we got. How much is that? Root 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by a square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by
Yes.
2a square along diagonal, no?
Yes, sir.
Now observe carefully, there is one more charge now here
Yes, you.
due to 5. This is also there,
Yes,
no? Can you tell in which direction that will act?
Diagonal.
Diagonal.
That is also along the same diagonal, no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be how much? 2 by 4, but 2q. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the total force on Q. Now sum up these and equate to 0. This is 0, no? Following this?
Following, sir. Following, sir.
Now substitute the values of all this and get Q. He is asking that only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Do it carefully.
Yes, sir.
So I am just discussing the typical ones only to save time. How much you are getting? See?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Hmm. Understood this?
Got, sir.
Understood,
He
sir.
is asking that only, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No,
No
clear,
doubt.
sir.
Approach.
Clear?
Yes.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right then. We'll continue tomorrow. Now it's 8:30. No? Tomorrow 9 o'clock. Okay. Right. Morning.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Take
sir.
care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, sir, one thing, sir. Sir, can you show the last page, sir? One.
This one. This one only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Took screenshot, sir. Took screenshot. Complete. Sir, completed.
Okay. Right.
Thank you.
Sir, can you show that final page once, please? Thank you, sir. Done, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.